We want to welcome everyone again to New Life Children's Home in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. And just to give you an update as to what New Life Children's Home is doing here in Haiti right now, we've come through the wound care stage since the earthquake for the past 4 months. And statistics from Medishare and the University of Miami, is approximately 15,000 amputations. And out of these amputations, many people are scattered all over, children scattered all over, adults all over cities and surrounding villages and everything. And when you think of the problem that they're going to have in their life if they're not fitted with prosthesis and they don't have emotional support and somewhere to go that they can get fitted and they can get adjustments and they can get the prosthesis care that they need, I can't even imagine their future. These children, because of a lack of loss of limbs, will end up, many of them, begging in the streets in years to come. If we don't think ahead and realize that we must take steps further to be able to educate them with a higher education, and that's our vision and our heart, is to gather up as many children as we can right now, fit them with prosthesis, bring them to our facility right here, and then think about helping many of them to be educated. Right now, I'm going to show you what we're doing every Wednesday. Well, first during the week, we go out into the tent cities, the surrounding cities, and we try our best to seek out those children and those adults that aren't connected with a prosthesis company. And we bring them here on Wednesdays, and we connect with Hanger Prosthesis Company. You can ask me her story and let me do this, okay? Okay, go ahead.
Est-ce que vous pouvez expliquer ce qui est arrivé pendant l'événement?
Pendant l'événement, c'est pendant dans la rue, et puis je me sentais à prendre pendant la pluie, et puis on traverse la rue, tennis m'a volé, et puis madame sorti pour la pluie.
Saying that while he was on the street, walking down the street, and then he heard the noise, but he didn't know if it was not the earthquake, and he started running, and then suddenly what happened? So his shoes come out from his foot, and then he feel no leg.
Wow, his whole leg came
out.
His leg came off?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And they found him? Who found him?
Yeah. Est-ce que vous étiez en bas béton?
Non, c'est en bas béton, c'est
You mean he lost his he lost his complete leg that day?
Yeah, that day
was cut off?
Yeah, cut off. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And
so the day was not completely cut off the same day, but he has really injured, and then he could not find any help after 10 days, and then his leg was infected, and that is why they cut him off.
Oh wow, he was 10 days with no help.
Yes.
Became infected and probably gangrene, of course, and then he had to have it amputated. How does he feel now with this new leg?
Comment sens-tu le fait que vous avez l'autre pied?
Je dis bon Dieu merci le fait que la paix de nous et puis avec étrangers tout cas.
I'm saying thanks to God because God is helping me having a new leg, and also to the team that come and help us here.
Does he have children?
Vous avez petit? He will soon be a father, but he's not a father yet.
God bless you. Bon Dieu béni. Okay, now we're going to see her walk with both of her new legs. What a blessing. Okay, look at that smile. I mean, look at that beautiful smile. A mama with 4 kids being able to walk again for the first time. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, ça c'est une bénédiction, oui? Hein? Est-ce que content?
Oui, happy.
Huh? Yeah, she's so happy. Let's hear her story.
She's so happy.
Oui.
Est-ce que tu as raconté une histoire, comment ça t'est arrivé?
Oui. Donc moi, je travaille dans la série. Je travaille, je suis à la guerre. On a la mal, si on est à l'école, on sait qu'il est à l'école. Même si on est à la cala, on va aller à l'école avant. On a mal à l'école avant. Et pendant ma vini, yo dit me vini avec. Gele bon Dieu ta avec. M'di m'a vini m'ba faire marché avant.
She's saying that she was working in the iron company, and then they dismissed her from work. So she went and visited one of her sister, and then with some of the kids that she has. And then after she saw them, and then while on our way to go back to her house, and the kids asked her they're gonna come back with her, and she says no, let me go by myself. And then actually she went by herself.
Oui, quand elle a dit m'ba faire marché avant, m'a vini.
And she said, I'm gonna go to the supermarket. I will buy something to cook food, and then I will come back.
When I'm quitté au Cassel, pendant que m'a fini, j'avais la bien propre.
And then the kids stay with my sister's house. But me, while I was walking down the street,
On a pendant le corridor. On a téléphone mettait dans même comme qui relève. On a mon téléphone n'a pas la mine volé le téléphone n'a monté, on a fermé.
and then somebody, I had a cell phone, and somebody called me, and the volume of the cell phone was very high. And then I hang up the phone.
Et pendant le corridor, I'm sorti bagage. On a marché bien propre. Ni sorti chaque fois me fait mal, me tomber. Chaque fois me fait mal.
And then suddenly the earthquake is happening, and then she felt like she has no balance. Each time she tries to walk, she has no strength.
Was she in the marketplace by that time?
She was outside.
Outside?
Yes.
On est là. Pour l'autre cas, je suis depuis me tape marché, je suis bon au fond d'un bagage qui comme c'est tous les deux.
She said that she was walking, and then she cannot feel her two legs. Like her legs was not stopped from functioning.
On est là, l'autre cas, le moi si je connais ce moi je m'en là, et le moi demi ou deux mois.
And she's saying that when she looked up, she saw a blocks coming.
The buildings falling?
Yeah, coming to under her.
On est tombé sur nous.
And then the buildings fell on her legs.
Oh. How long did she have to wait before help came?
Combien de temps où t'es passé en bas de ton ça avant que les vidéos?
Tellement je me décafond des minutes.
She said only 2 minutes because people were
Because she was
close by her.
outside, yeah, close by her. What about her children? Are they okay?
Et Timounio, pas
On a
grand
dit
vidéo.
le bagage. Et là, tant qu'on peut me tomber à me dire mais bon Dieu, tout le monde mouille. Quand il y a des moyens tous les quatre venir.
Saying that all her kids are fine, but she was thinking her kids have died, but none of them has injured, and then they're all fine.
And what a blessing it is that for you to have your legs back again.
Est-ce que c'est pas une bénédiction pour gagner plus haut encore?
Oui, on bénédiction parce que m'bat parce que bon Dieu t'a bon maintenant.
Saying that yes, it's a blessing because she never thought that God would give her her leg back again.
And I can imagine life would have been so difficult for her with 4 children.
Tu peux imaginer comment la vie a été plus difficile pour elle, pas de gagner ça.
Oui, parce que m'd'a imaginer, m'd'a plus difficile moi si m'bat aider à tout. Si bon Dieu va te faire tant que blanc ou te venir m'bat espoir pour moi parce que doit là fini.
Saying that she was before the American came here to help her, she had no hope. It's like their life was ended for her. But when the team came and talked to her, they said they're gonna give her a brand new leg, and then she felt that she's regaining her life back again.
Oui, parce que depuis bagarre là, on te vole tout bagarre là comme moi.
And then during the earthquake, people had stole everything that she has in her house. It's the same American people who take care of her, give her clothes and food and a place to live.
And now God's giving it back to her again.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Missy. I'm here. Okay. Okay, oh, look over here. Could you explain what you're doing, please?
I'm just fixing this guy's leg. I just cut the pylon because it was a little tall. So just shortening it a little bit.
Okay. Can you explain everything you're doing now?
Just kind of walking in for the first time.
Okay. Just go ahead and talk as you're doing.
Just putting his foot on him. Now he's gonna get up and do some walking.
Yeah.
Better. Okay.
This is Andamez, our nurse, and she's been working very hard going out into the tent cities and surrounding villages to find children and adults that have had amputations and bring them in to be fitted. Andamez, give us his story.
So
I really feel burdened for this young man. When I met with him, he spoke his story to me. He lost his mother, he lost his father, he lost his brother. He only it's just he and his sister that's left. And then on top of that, he lost his leg also. I just try to give him some counsel and encourage him. Pardon? He said his life is finished. He said, yeah, but she said, but now your life is not finished because we're going to bring you here and find a new leg for you. And you can also go to school here in September. He's only got 2 classes to do and then he will be able to graduate. Quel âge lui? He's 23 years old. And now this young man has hope. It's really touching to see these stories.